Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over Tumble by Goose. Another request, another great song. Got quite a bit to hop into with this one. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, hit the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate that. If you're not new here, thank you very much for coming back. I also greatly appreciate that. Like I said, Tumble, Goose, lots to get into, so yeah, let's hop in. Alright, so Tumble, a lot of bar chords here, pretty much, yeah, actually it's all bar chords in this one. So for the verse here, we start with this F minor here. Okay, starting with the F minor, you're barring the 8th fret here. Middle finger is on the 9th fret of the B, then you've got your pinky on the 10th of the G, and ring on the 10th of the D. That's your F minor. And you're going to your standard E flat here, just barring the 6th and the 8th frets, and B flat. And again, relatively standard bar chord there with the B flat here, just barring that 6th fret. And they do throw that in there, so while you're doing there, you're pretty much turning the B flat into an E flat for a measure, just like that. Okay, and that's pretty much the pattern for the first half of the verse. That's the pattern you're going to go through. So let's see. At the end of that, we're going to go to A flat, E flat, F minor, B flat. It's a really cool progression as well. It's a lot of fun to play. So go on A flat. Sounded weird. So we're going A flat to E flat, F minor, B flat, and then this is a fun little walk down here. So it's C minor, B flat, A flat, E flat. And that C minor, we're barring the 8th fret here. Ring fingers on the 10th of the A, and pinkies on the 10th of the D. Okay, so play through that last part one more time here. So actually, I'll go ahead and play through the whole verse here real quick. song structure wise, you go through 2 verses, then we have the chorus. So it's in the chorus. So we start with so the chorus starts with the F here. So after you're going to go to an F, D flat, sorry, A flat, B flat. Okay, so the starting here with the F, so you're taking your E flat, just shifting it down, so you're barring the 8 and the 10th fret now. So you do that, and you're going to go to a D flat, so same shape, now just barring the 4 and 6. Then your A flat, B flat, and then E flat. Just repeats over. Alright. Okay, so then after the chorus, we've got the first little solo piece here. Okay, and they'll do that, I think 4 times. So what we're doing here, starting here on the 6th fret of the D. So 6th fret of the D, or D, sorry, 6th fret of the B to the 9th fret. And then 8th fret on the E, and then 6th fret on the E. So you do that 3 times, and then on the 4th time, you'll do. And that's just the 10th fret here on that high E. So. I think I may have said 3 times, but I think it's actually 4. Sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, that's the that's the first part there. So you'll go through that. I believe they play that whole thing. I think 4 times maybe. Okay, and then from ending in that. Very cool piece there. So on this 8th fret here on the E, sliding to the 11th. Then 13 on the B, and then you'll go back to the E and slide from the 11 to the 13. Okay, so. So after you do that slide, you'll go back to the 11, 10, then you're going to go to the 13 on the B, 12 on the B, and then this, I think this is a C minor chord. Pretty fun little chord there. So I got my index finger here on the 10th fret of the D. My ring is on the 12th of the G. Pinky is on the 12th of the B. And middle finger is on the 11th of the E. Okay. Sorry. one thing I will say when you're doing this, so when you get to the B here, I think to make transitioning to the chord easier, you want to go ahead and use your pinky. So from the 13th to the 12th, use your pinky there. That way your ring is in position to go to the G, and everything else just kind of falls into place. But if you go with this way, if you move it with your ring, then you've got to shift it over. It makes it more difficult. So, but do what you want. That's just the way I found it to be a little bit easier to play. Okay, and from here we've got. And there are some different nuances. I think when Rick's playing that, where he'll shift that around a little bit. He'll play a little bit differently. I'm just going over this very base line here. So, starting on that 12th, starting on the 11th fret on the high E, sliding into the 12th and back to the 11. So here we're on the B here, so 12th fret of the B. You're gonna hit it twice, and then pull off to the 10th there of the B. So after you do that, so after you pull off here, you're going to go to the 11th of the G, back to the 10th of the B, 12th of the B, 11th of the G. Okay, do it again here. Okay. Right, so this part here, so we start 11th fret on that G, so you're going to hit it once, then hit it again and slide to the 12th and back to the 11. Okay, and you're going to go 14th fret here on this G, or sorry, on the D, and you're going to go back to the 11th here on the G, 14 on the D, 13 on the D. If you don't want to slide, you can hammer on here. So there's one more piece that I'll cover in a subsequent video, which is the arpeggios. I've not actually messed around with that part yet. So figure this to get you a good start, get you pretty much all the way there. And then yeah, just be on the lookout. We'll get that arpeggios up here as well for you guys. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.